Hello and good afternoon again to all of my lovely divas. This is Lady Diva coming back, and welcome to my channel again. I'm coming to you with another lip swatch on another one of my favorite lipsticks in my collection. As you all know, I'm a lippy girl, so I love lipsticks. I own at least 80. That might not be a lot to some, but for me, that's a lot of lipsticks, and I'm buying more. But in any case, getting on with my review. This is also in support of the Painted Lips Project, again, started by Shayna Moore and supported by Jackie Aina and a lot of us other women here on YouTube in support of lip swatching videos and makeup tutorials for the darker skinned woman. And so I want to come to you today with one of my favorite drugstore find purple lipstick that I love, that I am wearing even right now. And this lipstick is none other from Black Radiance. Now, as you know, I did this in one of my in my video entitled Drugstore Faves, and I had raved about Black Radiance and the find that I had, and I just wanted to do a swatch on it. I love this brand. I love this lipstick. Black Radiance is amazing. This is number 5117, and it is in the color of Plum Orchid. And I tell you, I've already swatched it in the previous video. I'll swatch it here again. As I said, I am wearing this particular shade at this time, and I love it. That is one swatch, one swipe. It's just a beautiful, pure purple color, just like a classic red. To me, this is a classic purple. I wear this all the time. I am almost out of it, almost, as you can see, and it's time, just about time for another one. The great thing about this lipstick is that it's only $2.25. I'm just saying. $2.25 lasts all day, and it is truly one of the best drugstore finds that I have found in recent times. So I'm swatching this one, Black Radiance, in the color Plum Orchid. They do have a plethora of other colors. They have like maybe, there's a lot of different colors, but they're all geared toward women of color because Black Radiance, you know. But anyways, so once again, you all, thank you for coming back into my channel. This is once again from the brand Black Radiance, and of course they do carry other things other than lipsticks. They have bronzers, they have blushes. I do have a blush from them as well. They have eyeliners and everything at economical prices. When you can't afford the high end, thank goodness that there are some lower end or finds that you can purchase and still look good and still feel good. Okay, so you can wear this lipstick with a smile. Okay, so thank you all again. This is Lady Diva checking in for the Painted Lips Project. And remember, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't let anybody tarnish your shine. And certainly don't let them rain on your parade. You guys have a blessed day. To the next video. Peace.